So today I'm going to show you how to make these weight loss friendly creamed potatoes. They're so good and so quick and easy to put together. So I'm going to take these russet potatoes and I'm going to cut them into slices that are really nice and thin. And then I'm going to start layering them into the bottom of my casserole dish. Just one single layer just like this. Then I'm going to add some onion powder, a little garlic salt. You guys know I love my garlic salt, and some pepper. Then I'm going to repeat the layers and I'm going to do this until I am all out of potatoes. Now I'm going to add some almond milk. I like this one because it just contains almonds, and I'm going to add enough to hit the bottom of that first layer of potatoes. Then you want to go ahead and cover your dish with foil or a lid if you have one, and I like to bake them in the oven at 400 for about an hour or until the potatoes are nice and soft and the almond milk has been soaked up. And when they're done, they look like this, so creamy and delicious. But now I'm going to add my cheese sauce, and this is my original cheese sauce recipe. I just didn't put in the carrots so that it would be this nice white creamy sauce. Then I'm going to chop up some rosemary and fresh thyme from my garden. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty and it adds such a pop of flavor. And that's it, guys. It's ready to go. I like to cut at least one large potato per person, but it's so quick and easy. Look at that. You will not miss all of the fat from the butter and the cream and the heavy cheeses. This one is light, delicious, and still tastes super decadent.